Hello friends, my name is Saket Gaurav and I am the founder member of brand Elista. Elista was launched in the year 2020, just during the pandemic when many established brands were planning to shrink the business. Elista opened up, Elista was launched and we came into the market. So initially we are doing business into consumer durables and IT products. We are looking into domestic market of India, which is highly competitive market. This month we are celebrating 2 years of our existence into this industry. So these 2 years have been quite exciting for us. We have been able to achieve all the targets that we planned. So the target was set up properly and it was implemented very properly. We managed to bring Elista brand to all part of India except for few states. Overall, the presence of this brand has been incredible. So last 24 months we managed to bring this brand to every corner of India. The purpose of launching a brand in India in this point of time was initially to look into the India market and find a gap, because the target audience that we have is rural market, and in the rural market there was a gap between supply and demand. So that was an opportunity that we looked at, and then that is how we planned to launch our own brand. We at Elista are focused towards bringing high quality international features and technology to the consumers at very affordable prices. Although the prices are affordable, but we do not take any compromise. We do not compromise anything on the quality. See, future plan, when we started this brand, the tagline was making in India for the world. So right from day one, we knew that India is a market to start with, but the destination is international market. Now current position of India is very good in international market, because if we talk about some of the sanctioned countries like Russia and Iran, trade is not possible from any country that deals in US dollars. There are some monetary transactions sanctions. So India has got an opportunity because India doesn't come under any kind of sanctions. So we at Elista plan to bring this brand to international market, from where we bring it to Dubai, which is our central headquarters. And from Dubai we look forward to bringing these brands to many parts of Africa, Central Asia and Russia, Iran. Iran is a huge market, Russia is equally bigger market. And the best part is, as on today, to do business with Russia, Indian government has got a very good understanding with Russian monetary transaction. We can supply the products in Indian currency. There is no need to go through international currency like USD or Euro to conduct this business. So this is an opportunity that I see. There is a vacuum in this market, which I believe Elista can fill. A part of that can be filled by Elista. So we are planning to take this brand to international market towards the end of this calendar. Currently in IT we are doing monitors, UPS, keyboard, mouse and these products. We have some mobile accessories also, like earphone, headphone and etc. Audio products are also there. In consumer durables we have home appliances, which is seasonal products like air coolers. Then we have refrigerators. Then we have washing machines. In entertainment we have televisions, which is again a core business category of ours. And then we have the audio products as well. Now in the appliances category, we plan to introduce air conditioners in next year. We are working on that. One more category was there which we brought into India market was dishwashers, which was there from the beginning. When we launched the brand, within 1 month of launching, we brought dishwashers to India market. So currently these are the product categories. In the TV segment, we are taking a leap from Android TVs to WebOS and we will be introducing new models. It's a gradual process. So every 6 months we bring some new models into the TVs, and the new category that we are planning to launch next year is air conditioners.
For more information, visit www.mobilityindia.com.
India, if anybody is able to penetrate fully, it's a very big achievement. Now, Indian consumers are split into two parts. One is a brand-centric consumer who will only go for a settled or established brands. They will never go for a new entry-level brand. They will not go there, which is more into urban part of India. The other part is feature centric people who are not so concerned about the brand. They look into the features that is available in the device. So our target is those people who are not brand conscious, who are feature conscious, and we ensure that we provide all the features that they expect to see in any of the established brands. All the features are there. The quality is equally good, but yes, when it comes to spending money, it's a little bit light on their pocket. So affordable price and the features is uncompromised. So this is our target. The first 3 years would complete in 2024. So if we talk about India market, I think within the first 3 years we will be present all over India. In fact, in the first 2 years of our brand, the inception of this brand was in August 2020, and within first 24 months we have managed to make our presence felt all across India. So this is one thing which we have already done. In coming 1 year we will spread it to some parts where we are not very strong in India. The other part which we are focusing more is international markets like Middle East, Africa, Russia. So these are the markets wherein we as a company TeknoDome already have our presence. We have our channel network which is available in this market. So it's only a matter of bringing a new brand and then spread across this channel. So coming 2 to 3 years, we are more focused towards the export business and looking forward to get into international market. And within these 24 months, we have been accepted as a brand in all parts of India. So I would like to really thank first of all 1 million satisfied Elista buyers who have bought our products over the past 24 months. This is the first thing, that they have shown confidence in a new brand, and I'm very proud to say that we have not let them feel down because they have bought a new brand and they are satisfied with that. So this is a compliment, and this makes us also satisfied when it comes to see consumer who are really happy with the product that they have purchased. So first is of course the consumers who have bought our products. Secondly, I would like to thank to all the distributors and channel partners who are associated with us, all the service network all across India who have been standing with us since the beginning. So these are the people who have really helped us to place Elista in a place where it is standing today. Without their confidence in this brand, it would not have been possible. And of course, what we always say, the Elista family, the stars of Elista, whom we call Elistars, all these people have really been with us like a family, and this is the key. And we are also being very loyal to our employees or family members or Elistars. I'll just share one simple story. When during the COVID time, as a new brand into this market, we could very well go to the Elistars and we could have asked them to settle for some salary deduction during the lockdown time, but we did not do that. We paid full salary. There was no salary cut during the pandemic. So obviously it hit us a little bit on the P&L, but when it comes to counting the profit and loss, we look at it from an emotional point of view, and we feel that okay, it's a family and we have to move on together. So progress doesn't belong only to the brand, progress belongs to everybody who is associated with Elista. So I look forward to growing with all of us, together on.
For more information, please visit www.ncnonline.net.